Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Amy Winehouse vinyl is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for any true music aficionado, offering a tangible connection to the raw emotion and unparalleled talent of a legendary artist whose voice continues to resonate through generations, making each playback an intimate journey back to the soul-stirring performances that defined her iconic career and left an indelible mark on the music industry. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your vinyl collection pristine with this comprehensive cleaning kit. It's designed to provide everything you need for superior record care. This all-in-one solution includes an ultra-soft velvet brush, cleaning liquid, and a stylus brush. You'll have all the tools to maintain your records. The ultra-soft velvet brush ensures a gentle yet effective clean for your delicate vinyl surfaces. It removes dust and debris without causing damage. Don't forget your stylus. Our kit includes a dedicated stylus brush to keep it clean and ensure optimal playback quality. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient storage pouch. Keep your cleaning tools protected and ready for use whenever you need them. Elevate your record care routine with this professional-grade kit. It's the perfect way to preserve the sound quality of your cherished vinyl. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for keeping your vinyl collection pristine. It includes everything you need for a thorough clean, from the records themselves to the stylus. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to maintain your records and ensure the best sound quality, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vinyl itself is a beautiful representation of Amy Winehouse's iconic style. The sound quality on this vinyl is exceptional, capturing the raw emotion of her voice. This is a must-have for any serious collector of vinyl records, especially for fans of Amy Winehouse. Number 4. Optage Audio Solid Walnut Vinyl Holder. Looking for a gift that will truly delight any vinyl enthusiast? This beautifully presented item arrives in a custom gift box, making it the perfect present for seasoned collectors and newcomers alike. This record holder is designed to showcase all your vinyl, no matter the thickness. From single albums to expansive box sets, it handles them all with ease. You'll appreciate its wide, rounded base and smooth metal supports, ensuring it remains balanced and tip-free. Its thoughtful design protects your precious records from any damage. Crafted with a solid American black walnut base and high-grade stainless steel supports, this display is made for durability and timeless style. It comes in a high-quality, protective gift box with a magnetic close lid, adding an extra touch of thoughtfulness to this already exceptional item. What we like. Elevate your listening experience with this beautifully crafted display stand. Its solid walnut construction and robust design ensure your current favorite album is showcased elegantly and securely. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and want to add a touch of sophistication to your record setup, this is an excellent option. What people say. This vinyl sounds amazing, clear and crisp. The packaging is beautiful, a real collector's item. Number 3. 12x7, the Singles Collection. Introducing the ultimate compilation for music lovers. This collection features 12 incredible single tracks. Experience a journey through a decade of chart-topping music. Each track is a testament to enduring quality. Rediscover the songs that defined an era. These are the melodies that stay with you long after the music stops. This is the essential soundtrack to your life. It's a curated selection of the best from a remarkable period. Immerse yourself in pure musical excellence. This collection offers a diverse range of sounds and styles. Prepare to find your next favorite album within this collection. It's packed with hits you know and love. What we like. This collection brings together a fantastic array of singles, offering a deep dive into a specific era or artist's output. It's ideal for fans who want to own a comprehensive set of a particular artist's hit tracks. If you're looking to complete your collection or explore a curated selection of popular songs, this is a must-have. What people say. The vinyl itself is a beautiful representation of the album. The sound quality is exceptional, capturing the raw emotion of Amy's voice. Number 2. The Collection. Discover a world of curated elegance with the collection. Each piece is designed to inspire and delight. Experience the artistry and meticulous craftsmanship that defines this exclusive range. It's more than just an item, it's a statement. We've brought together exceptional pieces, thoughtfully selected for your discerning taste. Find something that speaks to you. These selections offer enduring style and quality that transcends trends. They are designed to be cherished for years to come. Bring a touch of sophistication to your daily life. This collection is here to enhance your experiences and surroundings. Explore the full range and find your perfect edition. Your next treasured item is just a click away. What we like. This compilation offers a broad and varied listening experience, perfect for discovering new artists or revisiting beloved genres. It's curated to provide a rich and engaging journey through different sounds. If you enjoy exploring a wide range of music or are looking for a diverse soundtrack for various moods, this collection is a great pick. What people say. The vinyl itself is a beautiful, high-quality pressing. The sound quality on this vinyl is exceptional, capturing all the nuances of Amy's voice. The album artwork is stunning and a great addition to any vinyl collection. Number 1. Back to Black Limited Edition Pink Vinyl LP. Experience the iconic sound of Back to Black like never before. This exclusive limited edition features a stunning pink vinyl LP, a must-have for any collector. This is more than just music, it's a piece of art. The vibrant pink vinyl adds a unique visual appeal to your collection. Rediscover your favorite tracks with the rich, warm sound of vinyl. The high-quality pressing ensures an exceptional listening experience. Availability is strictly limited for this special release. Secure your copy of this exclusive pink vinyl LP before it's gone. Looking for a unique gift for a music lover? This limited edition pink vinyl is sure to impress any fan of the artist. What we like. Experience a classic album in a unique and visually striking format. This limited edition pressing adds a special touch for dedicated fans and collectors. If you're a fan of this iconic artist and want a standout piece for your vinyl collection, this exclusive pink vinyl is the one to get. What people say. The vinyl itself is a beautiful representation of the album, with crisp sound quality that brings Amy's voice to life. This pressing sounds fantastic, much better than previous digital versions. The warmth and depth of the music are truly captured. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.